interesting, especially if we want to share something fairly and give everybody the same amount. Let's use something to help us explain. What can we use? Oh, I know. How about Kevin? I said Kevin! No, I want all the Kevins. Okay, here we have 4 Kevins. Kevin, Extra Kevin, Secret Kevin, and Funnest Kevin. What if we have 8 cookies and we want to share these cookies fairly to all the Kevins? Let's try. Move, cookies. Okay, now each Kevin has the same number. 1, 2 cookies. Come back, cookies. Now what happens if 2 of these cookies disappear? Well, that means we only have 6 cookies left. Let's try and share them. Now each Kevin has 1 cookie, but there are 2 cookies left. How can we share them fairly? It looks like we're going to have to make some fractions and break the cookies in half. Now each Kevin has 1 cookie and 1/2 of a cookie. 1 and 1/2 cookies each. Okay, come back, cookies. Okay, now what happens if 5 more of the cookies disappear? Well, that means we only have 1 cookie left. Let's try and share them. Hey, how can we share 1 cookie fairly? It looks like we're going to have to make some fractions and break the cookie into quarters. Now, each Kevin has 1/4 or 1/4 of a cookie. Don't be sad, Kevins. You got 1/4 of a cookie. Okay, that is all the time today we have for fractions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more laughing and learning from Scratch Garden. Did you know?
Actually, it's amazing video. I really like it very much. Now, please open your book, page number. Let me check. Yeah, 473. 473. 473. 473. And Osama will answer the first question. Osama, we have here some words like denominator, fraction, and numerator. And the first question is, a blank is a number that names part of a whole or part of a group. We have to write fraction, the first one.
Fraction.
Okay. Question 2, the what tells how many equal parts are in the whole number, the whole or in the group?
Denominator.
Down here we have to write
Number.
how many equal parts are in the whole. Yes, denominator, right.
Denominator.
Osama, question 3, how many equal parts?
2.
2 equal parts. Please write it. Question 3, we have to write 2 equal parts, as you see. 2 equal parts. Yes, Anatash. Number 4, how many equal parts?
Let's start page what?
473. Sorry?
I don't do number 1 and 2.
Number 1 is fraction. Number 2 is denominator.
Fraction, denominator, okay.
Number 3 is 2 equal parts.
Okay.
What is number 4? How many equal parts?
8 equal parts.
8 equal parts. That's right. Yazan, Adil. Number 5, how many equal parts? 4 equal parts, right. Write it, please. So we have 2 equal parts, 8 equal parts, 4 equal parts.
Can I do the note down? All of it? Denominator.
I'm sure.
All of it.
Okay.
All of it.
Question 6. Let me ask here.
Me,
Omar?
Osama, me.
Omar, you are not with me? Ibrahim Abdel Hadi? Ibrahim Abdel Hadi?
Yes.
Ibrahim,
Yes.
write the number of equal parts in the whole. Then write the fraction that names the shaded part. How many equal parts here? In number 6. Ibrahim, this one. How many equal parts? Ibrahim, can you hear me? Ibrahim. Okay.
Oh, yes. How many equal parts is the it's
this
3 equal parts.
3 equal parts. And what is the fraction that names the shaded part? Shaded,
This
I mean the colored part.
This is
One,
1/4 out of a third.
no, 1/3.
1/3, yeah.
1/3. You know how can we write 1/3 in numbers? 1/3 is 1.
1 and then
1
1
over
under
1
3.
over 3. We can say it's 1 over 3 or 1/3. You understand?
It's mostly an underline. It's 1 underline 3. 30.
Yeah.
Mostly.
Muhammad?
Yes.
You're right, Jed, in a
7.
way of my
How many equal
There's
parts?
an underline in the end.
And number 7,
Oh.
how many equal parts? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.
Are you sure? I mean equal parts. How many whole parts?
6.
Yes.
All 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equal parts. And what is the fraction of the shaded part? It's 1
What?
6th. 1/6. 1 SIX, the word 6, and a TH in the end. You understand? 1/6. Because we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 parts. And the shaded part is only 1. We can write 1/6 like that. 1 over 6. 1 means the shaded part and 6 means the whole parts. 1 shaded and 6 the whole parts. You understand? Omar, I can't see your mic. Yazan Al-Ghamdi, number 8.
It's 4.
4 equal parts. And what is the name of the shaded part?
1.
1 what?
1/4.
1/4. And how can we write 1/4 in numbers?
Is 1/4. 1/4.
1/4. Perfect. This is page 473. Have you done?
Go up.
Have you done?
Yeah, go up.
Up?
Yeah.
Okay. Osama, have you finished this part? Yes, and Atash, have you finished this part?
Yes.
Okay.
For FOU. Mute. Teacher, for FOU.
Yeah, FOURTH. It's like 4 and only add TH in the end.
4. Finish. Mister, why you write the 4 like this? I write it like this, Mister. Look. like this.
Okay, you mean this one?
Me too, I write like this.
But I write like this.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can write it like that or like that.
It's like this.
Oh, yeah, it's like me. 4.
Mister,
Yes.
mine is better, I think.
Okay, I accept it. Okay. Then what do you need up? Yazan
I finish it.
Yazan Al-Ghamdi.
Denominator.
What question you need its answer?
I think-
and 5, I want it.
Okay. Then this page
Yes. Okay.
474.
Mister.
Yeah,
Yeah.
474.
I'm very hungry.
You are very, very hungry.
Yes.
I'm starving. I'm starving, Yazan.
I raise my hand.
Write the fraction that names the point A, B, and C. What is point B? Point A?
I know it.
Yes, Yazan.
1/4. 1/6.
1/6, right? Or 1/6. 1/6. 1/6.
Mister, I know number B.
Wait.
I know.
Osama B.
I am.
6/2. 6/2.
No.
2/6.
2/6 or 2/6. We can write it 2/6. 2/6.
Maybe.
Osama is dancing.
Okay.
Mister, I know.
Ali, you are late. Ibrahim, what is point C?
Okay. Yes.
What is point C?
Yes.
Ibrahim, what is point C?
What?
What is point C? Point C. Look, this point.
Point C. It's too easy. It's a 5.
Only 5?
6.
5/6.
6.
Record that, please. Omar.
Do you say Mister? What I write? This is I put it in my iPad.
Here, mushroom and a mushroom.
Don't eat the mushroom. Don't eat mushrooms.
I'm doing a mushroom.
I don't know what means mushroom, but I know it. Mister,
Mushroom and a mushroom and a pizza.
nobody. It's my iPad. It's his iPad. I write.
Nobody.
This is my iPad. I write up. It's my iPad. It's his iPad.
Okay. Let me read question 12 for you. Jessica ordered a pizza. Oh, she is lucky. I really like pizza. What fraction of the pizza has mushrooms? What fraction of the pizza does not have mushrooms? If you look closer to the pizza, look much closer. How many pieces on this pizza? How many pieces has mushrooms? Let me ask here, Yazan Al-Ghamdi. What do you think? How many pieces has mushrooms?
How many pieces?
Look at the pizza and say how many pieces of mushrooms.
8.
Mushrooms. Look at the mushrooms. We have 8 pieces in all, but they are only some pieces with mushrooms on its surface. You know mushrooms?
Yeah, I'm counting all of it.
Yeah, they
The-
are
the-
all 8. 8.
Yeah,
And what fraction of the pizza has mushrooms? Mushrooms. How many pieces for mushrooms?
4.
Are you sure? Count
Yeah.
again. Look at the picture and say. I didn't say how many mushrooms. I said how many pieces of the pizza has mushrooms.
2.
2. That's right. So what is the fraction of those pieces?
2.
2 over what?
2 over 8.
Yeah, so right. The fraction with mushrooms. Or let me write mushrooms. Do you like mushrooms, Yazan?
No,
You don't like mushrooms?
No.
Why?
no. I hate it.
You know? Also me.
What?
Mushrooms. Mushrooms, you said 2 over 8 or 2/8. And
Hmm.
no mushrooms? How many? No mushrooms. No mushrooms. No. Yes, Yazan. How many?
8.
They are all 8.
Yeah,
And only 2 pieces with mushrooms. So the rest without mushrooms. How many?
6.
6. That's right. 6 over 8. So 2 over 8 mushrooms. No mushrooms. 6 over 8. This is very interesting question. Write it. Right, yes.
I like it.
Yes, Usama.
She's lucky because have a pizza, but she's not lucky because she have a mushroom.
Unfortunately.
I like mushroom.
Yes, and Atash, he likes the mushrooms.
No, you say no. Nobody likes the mushrooms.
He likes pepperoni. He likes pepperoni.
I like pepperoni. Me too.
I know. Muhammad, do you like mushrooms?
No, I like marshmallow.
I like cheeseburger, cheese pizza.
Yeah,
Cheese
but
pizza.
I like teacher. But I like marshmallow.
Marshmallow, yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
I just like
The next question, 13.
teacher. Pepperoni is a meat.
Yeah. Omar,
Yeah, mister.
finally. Which fraction names the shaded part? How many whole parts first?
What?
Count all the parts. Count all the parts. All of them.
8.
They are 8. So write 8 up or down? Down.
Okay.
Then how many shaded part? The blue
8.
part. 1, 2,
3,
4, 5.
5.
Why do you say 3? I didn't say white part. I said the shaded. Shaded means the colored parts. The color parts like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. They are 5, so right here 5. If I ask you to write the fraction of the white parts, you have to say they are 3/8. Got it? You understand?
Yeah.
Thanks. There's question 13. Write it.
Do I mute?
Okay.
Okay.
Ibrahim. Yazan. Atash.
Yeah. Mister, I don't like mushroom, but I like boroni.
Okay. Then look at this question 14. 6 friends share 3 oatmeal squares equally. How much of an oatmeal square does each friend get?
Mister, I know. One, all the one children, he will take a piece of like.
Look. Focus. Let me draw six friends. 1, 2.
Mister, they will take
3.
They will take a piece.
4. 5.
It's like this.
And 6. They are 6 friends. And all of them will eat 3 oatmeal squares.
Mister, I know how.
So what is the share of each one?
He will take the like this a piece.
How many? The piece is what over what?
1/3.
1/3? Look. These 2 friends, or those 2 friends, will eat 1. And another 2 will eat this one. And another 2, look. Yazan, look. Will eat this.
He will take like this. You will do like this and
Half. So it's called half. 1/2.
One and one take one.
1/2. It's 1/2 or 1/2. So
like this.
each one will take half. Look.
They will take a half from the oatmeal.
Yes. So
like this. I do like you. Look, it was like this.
Yeah.
And I put it a half.
Yeah. Each friend will get 1/2. 1/2. Let me write it for you.
1/2. You will write like you.
Yes, write like me.
Each
1/2. So the piece, each piece is 1/2. Half.
Mister, why you write it up, not down in the line?
What do you mean?
The each friend will get you put it not in the line. Put it in the line because
Look. How many friends?
no, mister, put it in the line, the blue line. That's under.
Yeah. I mean. Okay. You mean this line?
Yes, but
No problem, Yazan. Okay, you can do it on the line. Each friend will get 1/2. 6 friends share 3 oatmeal squares equally. How much of an oatmeal square does each friend get? So it's half oatmeal.
إبراهيم أنت مع مين في المطبخ؟ طب مريم ليه ما نزلت لك؟
Mute Ibrahim.
Muhammad, you understand this one?
Yeah.
Now you understand fractions? Tomorrow maybe we will have an extra class for math.
What is the class?
Extra class for math.
Yeah, class what? 1 or 2 and
We'll tell you on WhatsApp group. Now please let's listen to this video.
Mister, what means extra? Not saying
Mister, can I go to the bathroom? Can I go to the bathroom?
Quickly.
Okay. Wait me. I want to see the video.
that his name is Laughing Learning.
Practice math on Adapted Mind to learn and earn rewards on your learning adventure.
Today we are going to learn about fractions. Fractions are so awesome and so much fun. Many of you think so too. A couple of weeks ago we set up a poll on our channel and many of you voted for fractions as our next math video. That's really awesome. Thanks everyone for voting, and don't worry, we'll make the other 2 videos too later on, but this is all about fractions. Alright, well let's start here. What is a fraction? When we say the word fraction, what do we mean? What is a fraction? Well, a fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. Let's say there's this lady named Cindy. Cindy has a pizza, which is great. She loves pizza, so yummy pizza. But then her friend Chomsky arrives. You remember Chomsky? Chomsky likes pizza too, and he's a little bit hungry. So maybe Cindy isn't gonna eat the whole pizza now. Maybe they're gonna split it. What do you think? So they split the pizza in half. Each of them get 1/2 of the pizza. Isn't that neat? Then everyone has pizza. Each of them have 1/2 of the pizza. They split it right down the middle. Now remember, a fraction is something that shows parts of a whole. So here is what the fraction looks like. A 1, a line, and a 2. That is the fraction 1/2. Each of them, Cindy and Chomsky, get 1/2 of the pizza. So this is 1/2. It's a very important fraction because we use it all the time. Now you might be wondering, what do the numbers mean and how does it show 1/2? Well, the bottom number shows the total number of parts. The top number shows how many parts we are talking about. Pretty simple. Let's go back to our example.
There are 2 minutes.
There are a total of 2 parts to the pizza. So there's a 2 on the
What they say, Yazan?
There are 2 minutes for the class.
Yes.
bottom, and Cindy just gets 1 part. That's the part we're talking about. So Cindy gets just 1/2 of the pizza. She doesn't get the whole thing. She gets just 1 part. She gets 1/2. The bottom number of a fraction is called the denominator. The denominator is the total number of parts. The top number is called the numerator. The numerator tells us how many parts we are talking about. In this case, Cindy is having 1 part of the pizza. The other part, of course, is going to Chomsky. let's try this. Let's say there's another pizza, and this pizza has 4 parts. The number 4 is the denominator because there are 4 pieces of pizza, 4 parts. Let's say Kelly shows up and wants to have 1 part of the pizza, 1 piece of the pizza. The numerator, or the top number of the fraction, is the number 1 because Kelly is having 1 part or 1 piece of the pizza. Kelly is having 1/4 of the pizza.
Now I'm pretty sure that you understand everything about fractions. Now I'd like to say thank you, my dear friends, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
We take